so we're talking multi-tools today. I know how much you love your little multi-tool.
I use this thing all the time for a lot of different things.
Love it so much. Yours is personalized.
Well, I want to make sure nobody takes it, you know.
Is that why you gave me a personalized one for Christmas?
Just want to make sure you know whose is who.
I thought it was because you had a heart. Okay.
Now
so
you're wrong.
Use them all the time, always on your hip, but that means that the blade is likely to get dull with use.
Right.
So we're talking about sharpening them.
Now to sharpen it, I use it on a whetstone grinder. But on a daily basis, I may take the knife and hone the edge.
Honing different than sharpening.
Well, it's the next step above the sharpening that you're going to do to just fine-tune that edge. Now here's a knife right here. If you look at this edge, you can actually see that it's pitted just a little bit. It's really fine. But if you take your thumb or your finger and you put down on the blade, but you don't want to slide it left and right, you'll cut it. Just push down on it a little bit and you can actually feel the little nubs on there.
Okay.
So what I would do with that is I would take some oil, because this stone requires oil. And this stone requires water, all right? So I put a little dab of oil on it like that. I take the knife, my hand, good grip. I'm going to push down firmly with the knife. I want to try to hold that angle right. I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to drag it right across. I have to pick the knife up as it goes, about 3 or 4 times that way. Now I'm going to go the other way. And that just puts another edge right back on it so it stays nice and sharp.
All right. And there are different types of stones, right? You mentioned this is synthetic and to be used with oil, but there are other options.
Right. This is a Japanese synthetic stone that requires water or oil, but they recommend water with that. This is a stone that comes out of a quarry, and it comes out of Arkansas.
So a natural stone. And would you use water with that one?
You can use water with that one. And here's another one that's man-made, but this is made with diamond. And you do the same thing with oil. You just put a little bit of water on, and you just drag your knife on it.
Gotcha.
And that keeps the edge.
And so you've got a couple different ones here. I know you even keep one of these things in your tool pouch.
What I do is lots of times I'll carry a small stone like this. And if I'm using a utility knife a lot, and I want to keep an edge on that rather than keep changing the blade, I can take the stone and make my utility knife and drag it across here half a dozen times, switch it over, go to the other, and I've got a nice sharp blade that lasts a long time.
You are an old Yankee, huh? You're actually honing your disposable razor blades.
Well, you know, it's not just the cost of the blade, it's the time that it takes to change the blade out.
I'm not criticizing it. All right, good information, Tommy, and thank you again.
My pleasure.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.